And a good late morning to you, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com. It represents 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, 802 Honda. They're all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. A lot going on. Area of low pressure tracking now to the north and east. It's starting to bring in stronger winds coming in from the west and southwest. You can see some of these winds located here to the west of us across parts of New York. Now, over the waters, for example, where the relative waters are warmer, you get better mixing. So we're seeing much stronger winds, but in general, these will not be as strong as that low-level ribbon of air that moved across the region earlier on this morning. Let's take a look at the HRRR computer modeling. Okay, so we can see here that a more significant band of precipitation was rotating. This is valid at 10 o'clock this morning. This is continuing to push north and east at a pretty good clip. You can see the last band here at greater than 1 inch per hour, kind of working its way north and east. This is valid about 1 o'clock this afternoon. And then eventually by 2 o'clock, it's pretty much out of here. And we're seeing just a little leftover flurries and even some lake effect moisture coming in off of Lake Ontario. In terms of precipitation, this puppy is going to be done here in another couple of hours. No other worries. Looking at wind gusts, you can see in the Northeast Kingdom is still under the gun just for a couple hours here, and then this pushes off. This is valid by 17Z or noontime, 18Z 1 o'clock. But notice, just to cut this back a little bit, you can see the winds are starting to pick up along and east of the Greens on the eastern slopes of the Green Mountains due to a southwesterly wind that is downsloping. And the areas around Windsor County into Windham County are going to be under the gun. This is valid again at noon, 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that spreads up almost even into Washington County east of the Greens. And then you're looking at 6 o'clock. And then finally 7 o'clock. And then things begin to calm down. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.